Year 6. So for our final maths lesson of the week this week, we are going to be calculating the costs of running your zoo. So to do that, we have given you a little spreadsheet that looks like this. And we need to work out how much it's going to cost us each day for each of the things that we have put in our zoo. So for example, starting with the entrance, you've probably only got one entrance. That might not be true. You might have decided to include more than one. But I think likely you've probably got one entrance. So the staffing cost of running one entrance is £30 per day, plus the maintenance costs of £40 per day. So if you've got one entrance, you've got 30 plus the 40, it's going to cost you £40 per day to run that entrance. As you've only got one of them, it's going to be £40 for the total as well. Toilets then. Toilets, the staffing costs of toilets are £5 per day and the maintenance costs are £15. So we have to do 5, add the 15 is going to be £20 per day for a toilet block. And then you need to think about how many toilet blocks you had in your zoo. So go back and have a look at your map from yesterday and see how many you put on there. I know that I put 3 toilet blocks on mine, so I will need to pay this £20 3 times. So 3 times £20, my toilets are going to cost me £60 per day to run because I've got 3 of them. Cafe, it's £35 staffing costs and £20 maintenance costs. So if you've got one cafe, it's going to cost you £55. If you've got more than one, you're going to need to times that by how many you have. Okay, so you will need to do this for each of the things that you might have in your park. Lion enclosures, for example, £45 plus £50 maintenance costs. So a lion enclosure is going to cost you £95. Have a think. Did you have more than one lion enclosure or did you only have one? Have a look at your work from yesterday. When you've done, you're going to need to add up all of the numbers in this column. You're going to need to add up to give you a total. So that's going to be quite a big addition that you're going to be doing. I would recommend when you get your total, do it one more time just to make sure you've got it right, because it's quite easy to make a mistake when you're adding up so many numbers all together. Okay, that's it for our maths for this week. We're going to be carrying on looking at zoos again next week.